Hello all. So it has been so many days since I met you all. I have been so busy that I couldn't make videos. Yes. So I had a lot of household works and yes, I was lazy. I was busy with my own life. So I couldn't make videos. So today I'm going to make a video. This is going to be my favorite part, facial. So I'm going to suggest you and review a facial pack, and this is not a sponsored video. This I am trying for myself. I'm just making it a video. I will show you and let's see how well it works on us. Let's get into the video. Let's sit for this first. So this I'm going to try Banjara facial kit. So Multani Mitti kit. This is sandal face pack. My husband suggested this. So when we went for a medical, he saw this and he said, try this, why don't you try it? Okay, I'm also trying. Yes, I have heard about Banjaras. I don't know how well it works on my face. I'm going to try it. I have heard it during my college days. I've heard it, but I haven't tried it. I'm going to try it now for my husband's sake. Just because he told, I'm trying it. And Multani Mitti, yes, obviously it works. Let me check it out how well it's going to work on me. And it comes with a single pack. So it's given clear glowing skin in 15 minutes. Okay, easy to use. Okay, so it's a sandal pack. Obviously sandal would be very good. And so how much it comes with? One. So it has been a big pack, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 packets are there. Even one pack, I don't think I'm going to use it completely. No, I think even one pack we can use for 1 week or something. Let's see, check it out. So there are so many goodness. They are saying they have Multani Mitti, orange and papaya in it. Okay, sandal also, but it's given sandal face pack. Oh, sorry, this is sandal face pack. There are some things available which is orange flavor, papaya and mint, only Multani Mitti. Those are also available. I have purchased sandal one, and yes, it's 100% natural. Let's try it. And for those who aren't aware, Multani Mitti is sand in Hindi. So it's a sand in an area in north. That only they are using for skin. That works well with skin. And there is an area where they, I think it's somewhere, I don't know the exact place, UP or something. There only the sand is in that such a way it has that main content which they use for makeup products and all. I don't know whether it's zinc or what, I'm not sure. So that product is mainly available. With that only mica or something they are, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. So they are utilizing it to make for our facial products and all. So there was a documentary which I saw by Brute or something. You can also find it out, I think, from by Brute, how they are utilizing the people, downtrodden people of that area to make this. But that's the means of employment for them. I'm not talking about the negative side of that video. The thing is, only then I knew that okay, they are using the sands for even for our facial face powders, whichever we use, like rose powder and all our makeup items. They are using that, and as you can find it out, you can know more about it. But obviously, we all need this, ladies, and they work wonders also with our face. Okay, let me try it out. I'm going to open it. I will mix it and I will show you. As usual, I'm going to use rose water along with that. Let me come after mixing.
Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam. drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a bean in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a?
So it's over, and I'm going to use my brush. I haven't shown about my brushes now. One day I will make a video. I have a big set of brushes. So from this one I'm using for so I have this much brushes. One I am using for applying these creams. So about brushes, I'm also thinking of making videos, but I'm not making it. I will make it one day. So now 15 minutes is over. You can find everything is dried up. So wait till it gets dried up. Now we can either wipe it off or wash it off. I will wash it off and I will come. Okay, just see, almost dried up. I could wait for this, but anyhow I am washing it off. So it's over. You can see, no, my face is so wet now. Hope you can see. While washing, what I felt is the material, the texture of the powder which I used was so soft. I haven't felt this much softness while wiping off because already the thing is like more powdered thing. So it was so soft. I didn't touch it, no. So I didn't know the feel of it. It was so soft while wiping, and my skin also after washing, it's a bit soft only. Actually here and all I don't know, it's itching for me because of the blackheads. Most of the times because I have more pores, the more pores will be more open. Even after washing it will pain for me. It gets deposited in my pores, the powder. Sometimes it happens for me with some powders, but today no, nothing. This is not itching now. Nowhere is itching for me now. But while I was applying and I was waiting, this was itching, a bit of here. Here it didn't itch. Mostly around my mouth and my nose pores used to do this for me. Now okay, I'm feeling good. And that was for the first 5 minutes something it was itching, then I didn't get any itch. Now it's, while washing also it was good. Now it's so soft and good. I loved the fragrance. Try sandal one, that with rose water, and I will give you the amount of the pack. It is like, it's just 50 rupees. You can try it. No, it has so many packets, no, as I told you already. It will come for even, I think it will come mostly even for 1 year, not 1 year, at least 6 months it will come. Only you are going to use, means it may even come for 1 year. Even if you use for neck, it will come for 1 year, I think. You can try it out. It's cheap and best. It's nice. So if you want, I will attach Amazon link for it. You can buy from there also. It's available in medical shops, and this is not a promotional video. I'm just doing what I tried. Someone is bursting crackers. I think because of the IPL game something is going on. Okay then, see you with another video. It's nice, try it out. What else? I will try to make videos often, but I couldn't make it up. I'm so sorry. And that's it. You can comment whatever, what videos you want, and comment, try to have some good comments. That would be very nice. And yes, waiting for some nice comments here, to hear some nice comments. Okay, bye.